Wednesday.
They're about to
June
test.
20th. 44 nautical miles east of Ponce Inlet.
Ready.
33 nautical miles east of Port Canaveral. 27 nautical miles east of Sebastian Inlet. 18 nautical miles east of Fort Pierce Inlet. 11 nautical miles east of
11 a.m.
The latest available surf temperatures as of Wednesday. Daytona Beach was 79 degrees.
On the turnpike, right around US 27. And in Seminole County, crash reported eastbound State Road 46. And
Be careful on the road, people. Be careful on the road today.
St. John's Parkway to get around. That's your C88.3 Stress Saver traffic. Lots of clouds in our forecast. In fact, more rain is coming our way today. 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms in our forecast.
Be careful on the road, people.
Tonight, partly cloudy.
When thunder roars, go indoors.
Tomorrow, we actually see some sunshine.
Start testing here in a second.
4:30 p.m. High tide Wednesday at 11:03 p.m.
There they go.
Current temps in Melbourne 79, Daytona Beach 78, Ocala 76 degrees, and it's 76 in Orlando.
Required weekly test.
Station that is always safe for the little.
That's 1-800-747.
Weekly test. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received, in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake,
Officials
Seminole,
estimate the submersible,
Brevard,
if
in Orange
intact, has
counties.
about a day's worth of
For
oxygen
station
left.
KIH 63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. We now return to the regular broadcast program. Here is the tide information. Daytona Beach shores, Sun Glow Pier. High tide Wednesday at 10:55 a.m. Low tide Wednesday at 4:48 p.m. High tide Wednesday at 11:11 p.m. Low tide Thursday at 5:32 a.m.
Well, well, well. Though 120 activated for a required weekly test hasn't activated for a very long time. Can't say how long because I don't remember. But yeah. A required weekly test. Nice. Can't keep a good radio down.